Okay, so if you want to add a YouTube video to your websites, your e-agency or e-edge, I'm going to show you how to do that today. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go to YouTube and find the video that you want to embed on your site. I'm choosing a video that belongs to me actually that I created myself using powtoon.com. If you have your own video that you created, you can use that. If not, you can use one of the Keller Williams videos. You can also look for a new home builder video or a community video. Usually those are pretty safe to embed. I would recommend that if it's someone else's video that you do get permission, and do not use any videos that belong to other real estate agents or brokers, because you do not want to be advertising them on your site. So once you have the video that you want, you're going to scroll down, click on Share, and then there is a tab for Embed, which is what we want to do. So make sure that these three little boxes are not clicked. They should be blank like that. And you can leave the video size like this for now because we're going to change it later. So once you have that, you're just going to copy that source code right there. And then we're going to go back over to My KW. You're going to go to Manage eAgency website. And once we're in that, today I'm going to add this to a new page, so I'm just going to 3.7. But you're welcome to add it to your home page or to an existing page. I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to call this YouTube video. Okay, you want to pick a better name than that, something that's better for SEO. Alright, so in order to add it, you're just going to click on the source button, and then we're going to paste it right after these words right here, these letters right here. Alright, so the things that we want to do probably are change the size a little bit. I'm going to click source again so that I can see what my video looks like. It's kind of large. I'm just going to center it, so I clicked on it and clicked the center button to center it. But I do want it to be a little bit smaller than that because it's kind of large. So if I click back into the source, I can manually change these numbers. The good thing about YouTube is it will change it. It won't get distorted. So I'm just putting 4:3. Still a little large. I'm going to go down to 250. Okay. And I'm just going to get some space in here so that I can write something if you wanted to write like your YouTube video. Now do remember that search engines like Google and Bing can't see what's actually written in the video. So if you do want to optimize this for SEO a little bit better, then what you want to do is write some text that tells the search engine and your customers what exactly is contained in the video. Because otherwise there's not a whole lot of indication for a search engine. But just in the interest of making this a short video, I'm just going to write a title, but you're welcome to write text. So there you go, you have the video. If you click play, it should work. Alright, you click save to finish it off, and then if you'd like to preview your site and just see if it's working, you can preview. Now your video will most likely show up at the bottom of all the tabs right here. If it doesn't show up over here on the left side, like mine shows up right here, YouTube video, but if it doesn't show up there, then look for a tab over here on the left that says additional, and most likely it's in that one. Alright, so here we go. We have the page with the YouTube video coming up. Just taking a second. Alright, there we go. And we could play it from our page so we know everything is working. Alright, so the next thing that I wanted to do was to show you how you can add the same video to your e-edge website. Alright, so we're going to close this one because we don't need it anymore. And we're going to go back to that YouTube page. Now if you want to add to your e-edge video, it's slightly different. When we're sharing, we want to use this one right here. We want to check use old embed code because the e-edge website requires this old embed code. So we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to copy. This will be a much larger version. Okay, so we copy that, and over here we're going to select Manage e-edge website. Just going to take a second. All right, now we have to decide where we want to put it. So on your eEdge website, as opposed to your eAgency, you only have one additional page, which is a custom page, but you can also put your video in the main text or on the home page. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the custom page because I have one already set up. So I'm clicking custom page. Now I already have this month in real estate video here, and you'll notice that on your eEdge website it always shows up as a gray box. That's normal. It will look right on your actual website. Okay, I'm just going to make some spaces here, and I'm going to go around to the other side. So in order to get to the source code here on your eEdge, you're going to use these little triangles. Okay, so we're going to click there. Now this is everything that I already have in there, so I don't want to delete any of that, but I'm going to paste it. I'm going to paste the code right here at the very bottom. Okay, now my other one was about 400 by 250, so I'm going to change this one to be the same size, so 400 by 250. Now unlike your other code that was a lot shorter, there are two sections where I have to change that. So as you'll notice, there were two places in that same code where I need to change the size if I want the size to change. So I'm going to click OK. Alright, and we should have a second video. See how there's one here? I'm going to click on it and just align it to the center. Okay, and if I wanted to put a title here, I could, and just kind of center that, bold, whatever you want to write. Alright, now we can't see the video from here because it's just grayed out. So first I need to click Save, and then I'm going to go view my website. So I just clicked on main text to get the link to view my website. Alright, so here's my website. Here's my custom page over here on the right. Okay, as we can see, this is the old video that should pop up in a second that I used to have. And then here at the bottom is the new video. So if I click Start, there we go. Alright, and so we have the same video there. So there you go. That's how you can add a YouTube video or YouTube videos to your eAgency or eEdge site. Have fun adding.